Hey guys, welcome to the April 6th installment of Sales Management. This week you have your Module 3 exam, and this exam is going to be a little different from the previous exams. It's all essay, and these essays are asking you to provide some information and also apply it to specific scenarios and situations. Uh, so it's real practical and real applicable. I want to go over um, the Module 3 exam review. Now, I've posted this on Canvas. If you go to Module 3 and go down, you'll see a link that says Module 3 exam review. Click on that link and you'll see the same document. So let me share the screen with the document and we'll go over it. So here's the deal. Module 3 exam will cover information from chapters 7 and 8 of your text. The exam includes 6 essay questions from which you only need to answer 4. Each essay is worth 25 points for a total of 100 points. So same amount of points as all the other exams, just 4 essay questions. But these essay questions are worth a lot. They're worth 25 points, so do a really good job. Each essay has multiple parts for you to answer. Some of the parts require information that is covered in the chapters and in the PowerPoint slides, and other parts require you to apply the information to a specific situation or scenario using examples. Both parts are important to your grade, so please be thorough with your answers, your applications, and your examples, because I'm really looking for how you're taking that information and then applying it to specific situations. Your answers can be turned in as a file upload under the Module 3 exam link, or as a text entry at that link as well. And no matter which way you submit your answers, they'll be evaluated by the Turnitin plagiarism tool. Now here's the deal. The Module 3 exam is due by April 8th at 11:59. I will open it at midnight on April 8th and then close it at 11:59 on April 8th. So you have 24 hours to get this done and to do a really good job. I'm hoping you guys do a really good job on this exam. So what are the topics that I want you to be familiar with as you think about studying for this exam? We're just looking at chapters 7 and 8. So let's take a look at some of those things that we're looking at. In chapter 7, I want you to focus on studying those psychological processes of motivation. And what's the difference between intrinsic and extrinsic? Some of the components of motivation, if you remember, we talked about expectancies, instrumentalities, and valances for rewards. What are some of the sales people characteristics and motivation? I want you to pay close attention to the information about career stages and motivation. And should you be motivating different salespeople based on where they are in their career, how many years they've been with the company, and those types of things? And if you do, how does that affect the other people on the sales force who maybe do not have that tenure and that longevity with the company or in the career? What if um, money does not motivate a salesperson so much? What other motivational strategies can you use to go ahead and get them excited about their job and to excel at their job? What are those environmental conditions of motivation? How do different organizational variables affect motivation? So think about those different topics in chapter 7 and study those approaches, and think about how you would apply motivational strategies for your sales people. Then chapter 8, what I want you to really focus on what are those characteristics of good salespeople. Some of those personal characteristics are, you know, some personal characteristics of good salespeople or any salespeople. You know, what are their demographics? Are they younger, are they older? What are the physical variables? What are the background and experiences of your sales force? What are some of the job-specific determinants of good salespeople? Are salespeople born? Can they be made? Are good salespeople born, or can they be made? Those types of things I want you guys to study. Hey, some other parts of chapter 8 that I want you guys to focus on. Let's see if I can share this again. I can't, but think about some of the other topics in chapter 8 that have to do, you know, we talked about those personal characteristics. How does gender affect our workers and their ability to sell? And are there cultural differences? Are you a global company and you are sending Salesforce to a different country? How does that different country um, view men versus women? And what types of decisions would you have to make in that scenario? Or, you know, do you hire somebody whose personality reflects the personality of your key um, clients and your key customers? Does that matter? That's another personal characteristic. Um, and what role does, you know, enthusiasm, attitude? You had a discussion question about that. I review that information as well. Is enthusiasm an important part of success in selling? So those are the types of topics that I want you to focus your studying on. Again, chapter 7 and chapter 8. Um, and you will have 24 hours starting midnight on April 8th until 11:59 p.m. on April 8th to go ahead and submit your answers. Please be thorough. Please use some good application. Please use some great examples to support your answers. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, call me, text me, email me. There are numerous ways you can get in touch with me. Again, the Module 3 exam review is posted on Canvas in Module 3. And if I can be of any help for you, please do not hesitate to reach out. Good luck this week, guys. Stay safe and stay healthy. And I look forward to your exam, um, to your exams and to reading your exams. Oh, one other thing I forgot to say, please email me. Let me know that you've seen this video, because by verifying that you've seen this video, you will get credit for attendance on Monday. And then by taking the exam on Wednesday the 8th, you will get attendance credit as well as credit for the exam for Wednesday. So have a great week, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.